Good morning student. Today's subject is EVS. In EVS your second chapter is parts of plants. Okay, we read this chapter in my previous video and we read about the parts of a plants. Okay, so and we did some book work of this chapter. So in this video we will solve the question answers. Okay, so let's start. Page number 135. Answer the following question briefly. Okay, so first question is, remember here I will write only the question, you will write answer from your, here I will write only answers, you will write question from your book. Okay, so first question is, what are the two main parts of a plant? What are the two main parts of a plant? So what is the two main parts of a plant? The root system and the shoot system. So parts of a plant is first है root system, second है shoot system. And second is shoot system. Okay, root system grows below the ground and shoot system grows above the ground. Okay, these are the two main parts of the plant. Okay, so second question is, what is a taproot? To give an example, the main root that grows from the base of a stem into the soil. What is the taproot? Taproot. Taproot is the main root of the main root that grows from the base of a stem. The main root that grows the base of the stem, that grows the base of the stem, into the soil, into the soil. बेस ऑफ द स्टेम इनटू द सॉइल. टेप रूट क्या होती है? जो कि स्टेम के बेस पर ग्रो होती है सॉइल में. ओके, ये मेन रूट होती है. नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द मिडरिब? द लाइन विच इज सीन एट द सेंटर ऑफ ए लीफ इज कॉल्ड द मिडरिब. जो लीफ के सेंटर में लाइन होती है वो होती है मिडरिब, जिससे छोटी छोटी वेन्स होती है निकलती हैं. ओके, सो मिडरिब द लाइन विच इज सीन एट द सेंटर, line which is seen at the center, at the center of the leaf, at the center of the leaf, of the leaf, at the center of the leaf is called the main vein or the midrib. Is called the midrib. Is called the midrib. Okay, is called the midrib. Okay, the line which is seen at the center of the leaf, लीफ के सेंटर में जो लाइन दिखाई देती है उसे बोलते हैं midrib. Okay, so fourth question is, name two flowers that we eat. उन टू फ्लावर्स के नेम राइट करने हैं जिन्हें हम ईट करते हैं. नेम टू फ्लावर्स दैट वी ईट. कौन कौन से फ्लावर्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम ईट करते हैं? फर्स्ट है कॉलीफ्लावर, सेकंड है पैरकोली. ओके, Name 2 flowers that we eat. First flower is cauliflower. Cauliflower, and second is broccoli. Okay, these are the 2 flowers that we eat. Okay, fifth is, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process that helps the plants to make their own food. What is photosynthesis? Green leaves prepare food for the plants. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Green leaves prepare food for the plant. For the plant. For the plants using air, water and sunlight. Air, water and sunlight. And sunlight. Using air, water and sunlight, this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. ग्रीन लीव्स है वो प्रिपेयर करती है फूड, किसका यूज करके? फूड प्रिपेयर करती है प्लांट के लिए, किसका यूज करके? एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट का, और इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, जो कि प्लांट्स को फूड प्रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करती है. सो वी हैव डन 5 क्वेश्चन दैट आर शॉर्ट. So now we will do the next question that are long. Okay, these are long. So students, we done some short question answer of this chapter. So now we will do the rest of question. These are some long. Okay, so first question is, write the difference between the root system and shoot system. Difference write करना है root system and shoot system के बीच में. So first है यहाँ root system. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is root system. The parts of a plant that grows below the ground. Root system. The part of the plant that grows below the ground. Of the plant that grows below the ground. Below the ground. Okay, next है shoot system. Shoot system, the parts of the plant that grows above the ground. Shoot system, the parts of the plant that grows above the ground above the ground. The parts of the plant that grows above the ground is called shoot system. Root system होता है जो कि ग्राउंड के नीचे से ग्रो होता है एंड शूट सिस्टम होता है जो कि ग्राउंड के ऊपर से ग्रो होता है. ओके, सो ये डिफरेंस रूट सिस्टम एंड शूट सिस्टम के बीच में. सो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ ए लीफ एंड लेबल इट्स पार्ट्स. सो दिस क्वेश्चन you will do in your notebook. You will draw a leaf and its parts. Okay, so page number 131, look at the book. This is the diagram of the leaf. So you will draw this diagram in your notebook and write, you will draw the leaf with the parts in your notebook. Okay, so this leaf you will draw in your notebook. Okay, so question number 3 is, what are the function of fruits and seeds? Function of fruits and seeds. Function of fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. First, we eat fruits of many plants. We eat fruits of many plants as they are fruity, juicy and tasty. Plants. We eat fruits of many plants as they are fleshy, they are fleshy, juicy and tasty. Okay, second is, a seed stores food for the baby plant. A seed store food for the baby plant. For the baby plant. Okay, for the baby. So we have done the question answer of chapter 2nd. So these question answers is your homework. Note down in your EVS fan notebook and send me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.